want to know how to see your reviews or check your reviews in booking.com. So if you have booked and completed that stay or any flights, rentals, etc., and if you want to see what you had reviewed previously, this video is for you. So it's super simple and under the minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your booking.com website, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So once you have loaded your profile here, you should be seeing something known as reviews. So you can just simply select it. So once you have selected that, here you should be seeing your reviews right here. So there are two types of reviews: all reviews and property reviews. So if you have any pending reviews, you can just simply see it right here on the right side and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.